Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Alright, today I'm just going to be seasoning up some chicken and here are my ingredients that I will be using, and I'm going to be using just natural ingredients. So this is for the people who, if you don't have a blender or anything, listen, you just cut up your onion. This is just the traditional way. Normally, you used to just take your onion and everything and you just use your hand, no cutting board, and you just gets to cutting. So I'm gonna cut up a whole onion, right? But I'm only showing you half, and then next I'm going in with some spring onion or some scallion. So I'm gonna cut up all of that. It's 2 stalks, and then next I'm going in with some thyme. Now you can actually just like rip off the stems, right? But I chose to just cut up some and then just dash the rest, right? And here I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Now this you have to be very careful with. It is so hottity hot. So yeah, that is why I'm just holding the tip and then just using the knife and cutting, right? So yeah, next I'm going in with some garlic, and I'm just gonna try to cut that up, and I think I'm using like three cloves of garlic. Use any amount you want. You can use 5, you can use 10. So yeah, cut up the garlic, and then now I'm going in with my powdered seasoning. So you can use chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, or you can use both. So this is, and I'm going in with some salt. So that is the only like powdered seasoning. The rest is the natural seasoning, right? So normally, sometimes you would see the garlic powder, the onion powder. No, I'm using the real onion, the real garlic, like all the real natural stuff, right? This is how it used to go before we used to do our green seasoning and all of that. So yeah, so when I was mixing it up, some of the pieces looked like they needed some more seasoning, so I'm just pouring some more on there. And yeah, just go ahead and rub that in. Some of the pieces of chicken, you just want to hold them and just rub them up. Make sure you get the seasoning under the skin of the chicken as well, so it is thoroughly seasoned. So this is it, and you can bake this, fry this, anything you want to do with it, right? So yeah, Vibes fam, here it is, Vibes fam. Here is my delicious, well, it's not delicious yet, but yeah, it's delicious. It's thoroughly seasoned and it is looking so good. You know already, just by the look, you know it's gonna taste amazing. And of course, just gonna cover this, wrap it up, and leave it overnight in the refrigerator to marinate. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. Don't forget to like, please give the video a thumbs up, comment something, say hey, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you. God bless you.